Here's how you can go about to turn off the voice talkback of your Pixel phone. And if this ever happens to you, like you see the green highlight here and your phone's talking to you, here are the steps that you can take to turn this off. This is a Pixel phone with Android 14. Let's get started. So before you do anything, you probably accidentally turned this feature on by mistake. And what you want to do is first try to hold down on your volume keys here for 3 seconds. You probably turned on the shortcut which accesses that feature here. And if that works, that turns it off, then okay. If not, now we got to know how to navigate this thing here and get to the main settings and turn it off. So the first thing you need to understand is to do your normal navigation, you'll now need to use 2 fingers to navigate your phone. So we want to get into the main settings. So I'll use 2 fingers to pull down the quick settings here, pull it down twice, and you will tap on the settings icon. Now to enter into any setting or a function, you'll single tap first, then you double tap it. So 1, 2, and that'll now take you to where you want to go next. So again, to navigate, you'll just scroll down or up, use your 2 fingers, and we're scrolling down, and we're gonna go down until we see accessibility. So single tap, and then double tap it to enter. Now we're in the accessibility section, and luckily for the Pixel phones, the TalkBack is right there. So single tap once again, and double tap. Now we're here again, we'll use our 2 fingers if we can't see the switch yet until we get to the switch itself. And again, we'll single tap it and then double tap it. And now you'll see this prompt here to stop it. You'll select stop 1 time and then double tap. And we're off. Now, before you continue, if you again made a mistake and turned on the TalkBack by holding down these keys here, just make sure the shortcut is disabled so you yourself won't make a mistake and turn this on again. Now, if this guide helped you in any way, please do hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.